Good morning mga kakikoy ko. Another day, another vlog. Alright. Ayan no. Beautiful day. Another beautiful day. Alright. Daanan ko yung apo ko. Si apo Shelly. Alright. Ayan no. Ayan si Shelly. Si Apo. Meron pa silang Christmas decor.
It's Santa Claus.
Santa Claus according to, you know. Say hi. Be nice. Alright?
No, never.
Ay, kuy ko. Ayan na si Shelly. Ayan, buwan yan ha, buwan. Natabunan ng ano, smoky from the snow, moisture from the world. Alright? Very clear, right? Basta Samsung S24 2026 na, S24 pa rin ang ano ni Kiko. Ayan o. O, diba? Ganda no?
Oh, are
Alright.
you taking a picture of the moon?
Yeah, I did. So this is my Samsung S24 Ultra. Yeah, look at that. Blurry because of the moisture or fog. Alright. Yan. So ayan mga kakikoy ko, binidyohan ko yung ano no, yung moon gamit ang cellphone ko na Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Zoom. Alright, medyo blurry dahil moisture from the earth. Mga kakikoy ko, ang aking apo. I love
And I
snow.
said thank you.
Alright.
I said thank you.
This is Canada.
Yeah, I said thank you to Timothy. It's because he saved my life. He wanted to sit beside Owen. Now he's sitting with.
Napakaganda. Jackson is there with his dad.
Rhoda. I think we're not late.
Nasa illegal parking si Kikoy pero hindi umalis, parang hindi ano. Sige, bye-bye mga apo yun oh. One of the park in Tisdale, walang ganong tao dahil malamig. So ayan mga kakikoy ko, samahan nyo ako maglinis ng bubong ng bahay dahil ang daming snow. Alright. So kailangan natin linisin. Not totally. Basta tatanggalan lang. Meron tayong gamit yan, yung long handle push snow. Alright, keep on watching lang mga kakikoy ko no.